Hi, my name is Dr. Michelle Steinhilb. I'd like to talk to you today about some of the features of the biomedical, cellular, and molecular concentration in biology. We also call this our BCM concentration. When you think about biologists love to study living systems, things that are small like microbes and viruses, things that are large organisms, including humans, and that how these interact in ecosystems and in populations. When we think about scientists, of course, we think about people who want to solve problems, people who want to come up with solutions to treating human diseases, or people who want to figure out how biological systems work and the mechanisms that control the phenomenon that we see. When you think about faculty members in our program who have an interest in the BCM area, many times their research utilizes model organisms, things such as E. coli or yeast, worms, flies, fish, plants, even things like slime mold are all different model organisms that people in our department use. When you think about being a biology major, we want our graduates to be excellent citizens that are well informed about how to understand data and research. We want students to be skilled at communication. So the BCM major is really an excellent major because it does prepare students to go many different directions after graduation. Some students chose to go on to graduate programs, so these would be master's programs or PhD programs. They could be pre-professional programs, things like medical school or dental school or PA school, among many others. There might be certificate programs or careers in many diverse areas of biology as well. The coursework in the BCM major is designed to provide both the breadth and the depth of knowledge in biology and chemistry and physics so that students will be competitive applicants for these programs after they graduate, but also to prepare them for the types of standardized exams that they'll have to take to get into these programs, things like the MCAT or the DAT or the GRE. So there's a number of different interesting aspects about our program that make it truly outstanding. We've recently redesigned our curriculum. We have a 5-core course starting curriculum that all of our biology majors take. And then after that, BCM majors have a number of different electives to select from to customize their experience so that it serves not only their future career aspirations, but the things that most interest them. We have many different student organizations in our department. Many have an emphasis on pre-professional programs like pre-med, pre-PA groups, pre-vet groups, among many others. We also give out a number of different scholarships. Typically, we award over $60,000 annually to students who have the opportunity to get this money to help them defray the cost of their studies. And one of the most unique aspects of our program is the ability for biology students to do one-on-one research with a biology faculty member. This allows them to dive deeper into the science, to really contribute new knowledge to the area of biology. This new knowledge that students generate might be part of a manuscript that is submitted for publication. It might be part of a grant proposal that is used to help get funding for a lab. And in the end, students can use this information to be a part of a poster or a presentation that could happen at a conference. Conference could be something that's local or regional, could be statewide, nationwide, even international. And many of our students have gone on to be able to present their research at those really amazing venues. One of the great things about doing research is you don't have to wait until you're a senior. You can get involved in research right away. I know in my lab, for example, I try to get freshmen into the lab, and students can do research as freshmen and then continue to stay in the lab for all 4 years while they're at CMU if they're interested. If you have any questions or you have anything that you'd like to know more about, you can go to the CMISH webpage, www.cmish.edu. Just type in biology department in the search bar, and from there you can see a list of all the faculty and how to reach out and contact us. Thanks for listening, and fire up chips.